will start vlogging our life and show you what we do during the week.
Everyday
life, daily life. So today it's a very stormy day because we have a weather alarm in the Netherlands. The trees were falling on the street and on cars. So Romeo went on one really small walkie.
And now you can see that he is extremely energetic because he didn't yet walk outside. So he has so much energy. So we played a little bit inside, but we will, yeah, it's kind of dry now. So we will go outside.
It's still rainy, but it's almost 4.
Almost.
He kept his pee in for almost 6 hours. I think I ran outside at around 10 this morning. We need to go outside. And he needs to go to a park.
And run.
Yes,
so we will take you with us. Yeah, for us it's very new because we are not used to vlogging. So I think the content creation side is kind of something we're used to. But talking to the camera is definitely new, but it's exciting as well. Yeah, we got this new vlog camera and it's dedicated for the vlog. So we will just take it everywhere, film what we do. Yeah, show it with you. Hopefully it's entertaining to watch. Yeah, we are very excited about it. I think that's the most important, right?
Yeah, and I will take also more about what I do in my daily life, also with work, with our Romeo.
Someone wants attention. Hey, schat. Hallo.
So we got a package from Herinneringen op Linnen. It's Dutch. It's memories on linen?
Yeah.
What was it? Anyway, they
Printed memories.
Printed memories.
Yeah.
We have a collaboration with them and they asked us to print some of our memories and make something nice for Instagram. So you will see that on the Instagram. But it's cute because they are all kind of
2 boxes full with memories. I think there's about 30 pictures.
It's also the one talk show. Very excited.
Our? You mean Romeo's?
Romeo's, yeah. He looks so grumpy here, but he was very excited.
It's quite cool because you have everything on the phone and you can watch 1,000 photos, 1,000 videos. But
and we never print it out.
No, but it's cute. If you look at it, it's more real. It's more.
Yeah, and we always talk to each other. We have to print our memories a little bit more. Also with the holidays we take, because we have all the pictures on the phone, but if we want to show someone, we have to scroll back years. Actually, really nice to have it printed.
Yeah.
I chose a lot of pictures from his puppy time, the past holidays.
Cat Nala is in there.
Yeah.
His girlfriend Toffee,
and his best buddy
Dribble. Romeo is smiling there.
Deze. Kom maar. Kom, naar buiten. Kom nou. Goed zo. Almost ready. Go outside. Oh, who has this at home as well? All packages because waiting for trash day. I think this is one of my worst things that irritates me the most. But this one orders a lot of stuff.
You mean that Romeo gets a lot of stuff?
No, these are all your ordered stuff. Body and fit for the gym and I don't know what that is.
Hiu is already outside, but she left her phone and her wallet.
Yeah. Kom. I'm happy it's dry outside because it was raining so much, and it's also not cold. So we're heading to what's the park? I think we're going to Vondelpark instead.
Yeah.
Because there's no public transport for now because all of the falling trees on the road, and the Vondelpark is the closest park where we can walk towards it.
Maybe
50
we
minutes?
can buy some food or coffee.
Yeah, lunch.
Yeah, more food.
He's always hungry. He's seeing a big doggo over there, and he didn't like that. Whoa! Bram saw this thing and buying coffee. He loves trying out new coffee spots.
Six and a half, 6.5.
He's always very picky with his coffee. He likes Italian brand coffee.
But the only way to find out new spots is by trying them, right?
True.
So, but this is sour espresso. I purely now drink it for the caffeine because I need that, but I won't ever go back. The whole city fell apart. Crazy, man.
So we're at the Vondelpark and it's closed.
Wow.
It's never closed, but I think maybe because of all the trees falling down, it's literally closed. It is really never closed. So where do we
to
go?
Museum Play.
Okay, let's go.
Come on.
Whee! We're at Museum Square, but actually we never go here because Romeo isn't allowed off leash. So we have to keep an eye.
But I think today is fine because if they tell us like, yo, your dog is not allowed off leash, we just say, but the park is closed. So
It's closed.
Little man needs to walk.
But and there's not a lot of trees. Look, it's pretty quiet on Museum Square. That's the Rijksmuseum. And it's the open field. Maybe because it's bad weather. It's dry now, but it was super windy, of course. Ja, maar wij zijn vanmorgen ook geweest. Of tenminste, vanmorgen zijn we even naar buiten geweest. Ja. Op de storm.
Oh, hier ligt een broodje.
did some groceries for our dinner tonight. We bought chicken.
At our favorite luxury store.
So we're in a pet store to buy some food. And as always, Romeo can look between the toys.
Nieuwe Pip Pip Da.
And this is the brand what he eats for kibbles. This is the brand Herman's horse what he eats. And maybe the pants.
Ja. Zo. Zoiets?
Ja. Yeah. And I want to buy some treats. Wait. I think they had the one what we got on holiday. No, the cheese ones. We buy always this one, the horse stomach. For Romeo, he loves that one. It's super smelly though. Okay, let's pay.
Allemaal voor dogs.
Oeh.
Weet je dat? Kijk, allemaal snoepjes.
Ja,
Kijk, mag je een hele dingetje meenemen?
ja, dat mag ik. Je kan het gewoon thuis openmaken.
Ja.
Niet dat je het openmaakt, dat is niet sterk.
Now we have to take that one.
Okay. Goat is going with.
Goat? That's not a goat, that's a sheep.
Sheep. Same.
So it's 8 p.m. and I have to tell you something. I'm the worst procrastinator ever. I don't know why, but I hate doing something that I really don't like, and I postpone it so much that I almost miss my deadline. So it's doing my taxes. I hate doing it. I don't know why, because it's not a lot of work and I have an easy system for it, and people who doing my taxes, I just have to send all the stuff they ask for, but still it's so much work that I really hate. So I have to start now. I'm not sure if I know anyone who is a bigger procrastinator than I am, but even Bram says, just do it. It's over before you know it. Or he always says, just put it in your agenda and do it, and don't think about it until you have to do it. But I will think every step of the day, I will think, shit, I have to do my taxes. Oh, I will do it after the walkie. I will do it after the groceries. I will do it after dinner. And now it's 8 p.m. and I have to get up very early tomorrow because I have to work. So that means I have to do it right now. So, good morning. It's 6:30 a.m. and I have to go to a shoot. I'm still waking up, have my breakfast, and I have a shoot outside of Amsterdam. Hey. The city is waking up. It's getting a little bit busier. It's 7 a.m. and I'm walking to the tram, to public transport. So it's very nice in the morning. I never wake up so early, but I'm actually a morning person. I took some extra breakfast with me. It's an egg wrap with salmon and a fresh juice. This is my go-to breakfast when I'm on my way. So I'm almost there. I got off the bus and I have to walk a little bit because it's in the middle of the nature. There's no walking lane here, so that's weird even for the Netherlands. I took a tram, train and a bus to get here because we don't own a car. Parking cost where we live is huge, and yeah, we don't own a car because it's very reachable by public transport everywhere I have to go. But thinking about the convenience of having a car though lately. I'm on a shoot location and we are shooting a forest item. So editorial shoot, by the way. So pretty here. This is an outdoor shoot. So I have to do the makeup outside as well, and it's not cold, so it's great. I love being outside for a shoot. And this is the makeup corner. So my makeup is done and my hair, but it's a bit windy, and this was the makeup corner. Over here the clothings. The team is scouting the location. They are looking for some nice corners to shoot. They're somewhere over there, and it's super green over here. And this is kind of a hut. And they have events, little events over here. Cute. So this is what I do the most on a shooting day, and that is waiting. So I'm waiting until they are finished scouting the location for the nice spots to shoot, and waiting for my nails to dry. So what I do is mostly read, or on my phone checking some mails or Instagram. So that's life of a model too.
Ja, ik hou vast. Want hij moet wel hoog en dan nog een paar.
So I'm done. I'm waiting for my train to go back to Amsterdam Central. They were very happy with the results. I shot the autumn special, by the way. That's how it works. It's July, but you have to shoot way in the front. So a few months and I will show you the results. So it's after the shoot, and Brian had the good idea to go out for dinner because he didn't feel like cooking. And we're walking to his favorite
Best
Italian.
pizza in Amsterdam, Mangia Pizza. Many times it's fully booked, but they had a spot, so I thought let's eat some pizza tonight.
So pizza night today.
Yes. Romeo! Hey! What are you going to eat?
I'm not very fond of pizza, eating pizza.
But this is a pizzeria.
I know, but you know, I prefer eat pasta.
So after this, we need to eat something. Next time we go eat something outside, then we need to pick something that Hiu likes. This is more for me.
You always take the same.
Yes. So we bought the special blanket for Romeo, but as you saw, he doesn't instantly goes lying on it, but now he is. Cute.
Are you happy?
Of course. Yeah. Good morning. What are we going to do?
To the groomer. Come on. Papa, come in. Such a pretty day. 28 degrees, by the way. I don't know how much it is in Fahrenheit. 80 something? I don't know. But it's gonna be a hot, warm day. So we do a bigger walking now. We're walking towards the groomer as well, because Romeo has his groom. Later today he has to be inside because it's otherwise too hot.
Nee, ik snap, ja, je kan mezelf
You changed a bit. So wash and face. He had an operation 2 weeks ago, so a little bit careful of his scalp. It is new, but just be a little bit careful. Yeah? Yes. Now, I didn't brush him a lot the past week because he was sorry for that.
Okay.
Bye. Oh, Romeo.
Bye, Romeo. See you 1.5 hours. Yeah, you're back from the groom. Looks so pretty. And your favorite chicken snack. Oh. Hey. Are you ready for a walk outside? So we are ready to go outside for our evening walk. It's 9 p.m. I think, and it was very hot today, and we didn't make a really long walkie after we came home from his room. Only a small one, but it was still very hot. So we're going outside now. Are you excited? I love you. I love you. I love you. Mwah.